Personalizing the student experience has never been easier with MagicSchool. And so one thing that I love, and I'm going to click custom here, is I've been able to build out or personalize different tools in MagicSchool to support my student learning. One of my favorite is the Great Gatsby Review Adventure. So here I was inspired by a choose your own adventure book where students can think about the choices that characters made and reflect on whether or not they achieved their American dream. So I built out all of this information talking about different themes and motifs and things that we discussed along the way. So I copied in my teacher notes from teaching the book, and if I wanted to add more files I could also add more knowledge or optional pieces of information, and then I'm going to press generate. So my students were given a summative assignment where they were writing a paper on whether or not a specific character achieved his or her dream. They could choose any of the main characters, and they could also argue, yes, they did achieve their dream, or no, they didn't. So for this particular tool, students were asked to start a dialogue about a specific character. So here I'm typing, I would like to talk about Gatsby. Again, encouraging your students to give more specific input elicits better output in that process. And so now it's giving a bulleted list. It's not giving a paper response, but it's giving a list of his strengths, his flaws, what are some takeaways. I can continue to dialogue here with Gatsby. And so this is really helping me if I'm a student trying to brainstorm what I want to talk about, what are some of those main ideas. This gives me a strong foundation to now go and start writing my essay. So take a look at customizing those tools. We're going to go back to teacher tools for a moment here. And when I hit that custom button, again, it feeds through. This was a fun one. I was just curious if I wanted writing feedback from a Gen Z style. It elicited some really funny and good responses. I went through and I brainstormed a whole bunch of different ways to talk, and then I said align with the ACT style grammar and writing rubric, and so students were having fun with that too. So that creativity piece is all on you and your students and personalizing experiences to make learning memorable. So keep playing around with custom tools today.